Don't use auto withdrawal from your Shopee seller wallet. Unless you have your own procedures to verify payment release from Shopee, watch this video to see how you should trace the payment. Before you withdraw the payment from the Shopee Seller Center, download Order Report and Income Report. Import those reports into 100 Drawers Shopee Calculator, a free Excel template. The template will automatically extract all the information and order details. In the All Orders tab, you can check any incomplete orders or completed orders but payout is still pending, so you will know if there is any order payout that has been pending for too long. The above form is for you to filter all the order details, input values to those white cells, or use drop-down list to select. Select Pending. These are the orders that the payments had not been released from Shopee. Next, go to the Shipping Fee tab. Here, you will check for any overcharged shipping fee. Overcharged shipping fee is an unnecessary fee charged to the sellers when your product has missing or inaccurate weight or dimension, causing Shopee system to miscalculate the actual shipping fee to charge on the customers. Or it might be caused by a glitch of the system of third-party courier service. If there is any overcharge, make sure to initiate the claim from Shopee as soon as possible. After checking the shipping fee, go to the Sales Report tab. Here, you can see the total payout amount for every day, week, month, and year. Look for the amount of payout in the previous week, then withdraw that amount from the Shopee Seller Center. Check in your bank statement in a few days for that amount to verify Shopee transferred the payment. I recommend carrying out this validation and withdrawal processes manually on every Monday so that you know exactly how your orders are doing, if there's any invalid payout amount, and ease the accounting workload.